Kant says that there are two sources of human knowledge, which perhaps spring from a common but to us unknown root, namely sensibility and understanding. Through the former, objects are given to us. Through the latter, they are thought. Knowledge is, therefore, a cooperative affair between the knower and the thing known. But although I am able to distinguish the difference between myself as a knower and the thing I know, I can never know that thing as it is in itself, for the moment I know it as my structured mind permits me to know it. If colored glasses were permanently fixed to my eyes, I should always see things in that color, and could never escape the limitations placed on my vision by those glasses. Similarly, my mind always brings certain ways of thinking to things, and this always affects my understanding of them. What does the mind bring to the given raw materials of our experiences? The distinctive activity of the mind is to synthesize and to unify our experience. It achieves this synthesis first by imposing on our various experiences in the sensible manifold certain forms of intuition, space and time. We inevitably perceive things as being in space and time. But space and time are not ideas derived from the things we experience, nor are they concepts. Space and time are encountered immediately in intuition and are, at the same time, a priori, or to speak figuratively, lenses through which we always see objects of experience. In addition to space and time, which deal particularly with the way we sense things, there are certain categories of thought which deal more specifically with the way the mind unifies or synthesizes our experience. The mind achieves this unifying act by making various kinds of judgments, as we engage in the act of interpreting the world of sense. The manifold of experience is judged by us through certain fixed forms or concepts such as quantity, quality, relation, and modality. When we assert quantity, we have in mind one or many. When we make a judgment of quality, we make either a positive or negative statement. When we make a judgment of relation, we think of cause and effect on one hand, or of the relation of subject and predicate on the other. And when we make a judgment of modality, we have in mind that something is either possible or impossible. All these ways of thinking are what constitute the act of synthesis through which the mind strives to make a consistent single word out of the manifold of sense impressions.